Hey, what's up, guys? So, I wanted to make a quick video to show that I've got my front bumper on. So, I don't have it all the way on. I need to do the sides, but I haven't bothered with that yet because I'm going to have to take the bumper back off to mess with some other things. But I got my bash bar in from bumper to bumper. And I took some pictures of it, but I didn't make a video of it. I might make a video of it later, I don't know. But I got the bash bar installed, and I've got the bumper on there. And man, it's looking good, isn't it? It's looking like a car. So you can see I've got the fog lights on there, and I've got the tag on there and everything. And my Trueno emblem. So I still need to figure out the side marker lights. They are different plugs, so I don't know if I'm going to need to wire them up or if I can get like the pigtails or something. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to have to take the bumper back off, so I don't have the sides installed yet. But also, I got my fog lights wired up and everything. So I did a good job wiring up the fog lights. I put a relay and a fuse in there, and I built a little harness that's attached to the inside of the bumper that disconnects so that I can take the bumper on and off without having to cut any wires. So I wanted to show you that real quick. So this is how it looks with the fog lights off and the headlights down. And I still don't have the headlights working yet, but it's still, I mean, it's nice that I can actually put them up and down. So anyway, here's my defogger switch right here. And my rear defogger isn't hooked up, and so I decided to use this switch as my fog lights. So you just turn that on, and you can see I've got some yellow light. Let's go ahead and turn the headlight switch on too, and you can see how much different it looks. So this is super cool, guys. Like the cool thing about having pop-up up and down headlights is that they go up and down. So now I just need to get them to light up, but I got my fog lights lit up, so making more progress. And man, does that look cool, guys. That looks so cool. Man, it looks so great with finally a front bumper on it. So, also my tires are way too big, so my tires are gonna rub the bumper if I drive it. So, if I drive it again before my new wheels and tires come in the mail, I'll probably do it without the front bumper, but I do have my work Meisters coming, the custom Ae86 spec Meisters, which are 15 by 8 with a, 15 by 8.5 with a 3mm offset. And I'm going to be running smaller tires. So the tires that are on here right now are way too big. They're 195/60, and I'm going to be running a 195/50. And also they're going to be a little more stretched because those wheels are 8-inch wide and the wheels that I'm getting are 8.5 inches wide. So that will give me a lot more clearance from the tire. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully soon I'll be getting those wheels. At a 2.5-month lead time, so I gotta get the wheels and the tires. So another thing that I need to do, which I'm gonna be ordering pretty soon, is I need to do a vinyl wrap on the hood. So I'm gonna order some vinyl wrap very soon. Oh yeah, so I wanted to show you. I have been practicing with some vinyl wrap. So I had some extra vinyl wrap laying around, some carbon fiber vinyl wrap. So I did the glove box and that little console thing and the cigarette ashtray thing. So, yeah, I've been practicing with some vinyl, and I'm gonna vinyl wrap the hood. Because the hood got messed up when my filters caught on fire. You can see it, it's gonna fall off. Messed up the paint. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand all the messed up paint off, probably spray it with some spray paint or something, and then I'm going to wrap the hood. So, I think I am going to end up going with the green carbon, and if I decide to change it in the future, it's not a big deal. I can just take that vinyl wrap off and get some different vinyl wrap, and it's probably not going to turn out super good the first time anyway, because I've never vinyl wrapped before. So I think I'm going to do the green carbon, you know, just because I'm going to have the same wheels, same paint scheme, all that. Might as well get the green carbon. So that's it for this video. Thanks, guys.